Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove the border of shape in Photoshop. So let's started. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see remove the border of a shape in Photoshop. Now you can see then we show the shape. Now you can see then we show the border. Now you can see then remove the border. Now you can see now go into the clear option. Now click from mouse right button. Now select from blending option. Now you can see then show the new interface. Now remove the tick mark in the stroke. That is, now click OK. Then again remove the border in shape. Now click from mouse right button and click for blending option and remove the stroke, the tick mark. Now click OK. That is, now you can see remove border in shape in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and